Hey guys, it's Johnny P. Welcome to my channel. Whew. Hey guys, it's Johnny P. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's Johnny P. Welcome back to my channel.
5 hours later.
Hey guys, it's Johnny P. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, you guys know my channel is about travel, love, divorces, cheating. I'm just kidding. My channel is about helping you guys travel and live your best life, and also just random shit like moving to LA and surviving. And this video is gonna be about the random shit. Moving to LA and surviving. As you guys may have or have not known, if you haven't been keeping track and watching my videos, then you probably don't know, or you probably do know, that I have lived in Los Angeles for over 2 years already. 2 whole years. Yes, 2 years. And I pretty much am gonna share with you guys all the mistakes, and there's some pretty serious mistakes. All the good stuff, all the bad stuff. I'm gonna give you guys tips on just how to make the move out here and survive. I'm gonna share with you guys just all the random stuff that I can share. That's gonna be helpful and hopefully entertaining at the same time, because that's what it's gonna take for me to get popular on YouTube. So please enjoy. Before I start, subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2020. Like, I literally like pray for that. Like every morning, every night, I wake up to it. Like my whole life is revolving around that because I really want to reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, that was kind of demonic, but yeah. And please give this video a like. Okay, I'm like out of breath. Okay, I caught my breath. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna share with you guys these informational tips. I hope it helps you guys out as much as it helped me, and I'm doing a split without... Okay, I'm just gonna start before I get weirder. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so it's not easy living in LA. If you're watching this video, this means that you have some type of interest in moving to the City of Angels, and you are a creative being, so I say you should do it. Because you only live once, and you living in your regular city is probably something you've just seen and you're bored of, so why not? Make the move. And plus, you're watching this video, which is going to help you survive when you do make the move out here. Tip number 1, roommate it up. Yes, you will have to probably live with a stranger if you come out here alone. And it's completely normal. Pretty much everyone in LA is from somewhere else, and we've all like came here to live a dream. Now, LA is already overpacked as it is, so living in an apartment with someone is actually not that rare. I've heard of people like having like 20 people in a 1-bedroom apartment. Now, don't go that far unless you want to pay like $25 in rent, but yeah. My advice is join a Facebook group about rentals in LA, because you get to actually snoop out people's profiles before you become their roommate, and you get to see all the cool stuff and get to kind of know them a little more rather than like going on Craigslist and just showing up somewhere. So that's definitely a good tip. And just another tip, if you do want to save some money, live in a less desirable neighborhood. I mean, we got cops, so you'll be okay even if you're living in like a sketch area. Tip number 2, eat at farmers markets and taco trucks. Let me tell you, taco trucks, there's so many of them out here. You can spend $1, $2 per taco. That's like $3 sometimes for dinner if you get 3 tacos. And like, that's gonna save you a shitload of money, and it tastes good. Now, the other thing that's secretive about LA, that's not really a secret, but it is a secret, but it's not a secret, is shopping at farmers markets. So we actually have tons of farmer markets all around the county, just all around the area. Now, there's the original farmers market, which is next to the Grove. It's been a farmers market since 1934, and it is popular. So if you want to budget out your diet and your eating, you will save money if you move out here by going to a farmers market. Another thing that you might be shocked about is that you had to pay for plastic bags here. So I definitely recommend to buy a tote bag, because that's going to save you 10 cents per bag. Alright, y'all, I'm about to show you guys this Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada, Fendi. Okay, it's not really. Alright, this is my first tote bag. It says, give tools for back to school. I got this one from Florida. And this one says, thanks for making a difference. Now, these two bags have saved me hundreds of thousands of dollars in other bags that I would have had to have bought in California. But actually, over your lifetime, it probably will save you maybe like hundreds or even a couple thousand, because you're not getting charged 10 cents per bag. So I would highly recommend a tote bag. And it's kind of cute. Look at this. Hey, oh my god, flashy. Okay, I'm just being dramatic. Love you guys. The third thing to do is you are going to not have a social life. You're not going to know anybody. It's going to be hard to meet people. So I recommend to download the Meetup app. So I'm going to show you guys the Meetup app. It pretty much allows you to meet random people in LA. So like there's a group for everything. Like I get invited to like the vegan East Sider lesbian Prius club. And they like meet on like Thursday nights. Like it gets really specific. So like this one is the queer salsa bachata dance class. So you could be gay and dance salsa. I mean, that sounds kind of cool. See? The queer salsa bachata dance class. Can that not be any more legit? I went to one where you played Cards Against Humanity with people, and it was like really fun. It was cool. It was like kind of people trying to hook up though, and I ain't trying to hook up. You see this ring? I ain't trying to hook up. It's been 9 years. So, yeah. That's another perk. If you want to find love out here, look for a meetup group. Because they're bound to have the one that you want. Or the one that's going to help you find love. Number 4. Set goals in a planner. You have to come out here and be goal-oriented because you can't just like lollygag around here, you know? So I recommend to buy a planner. I have my own planner that I love, and it helps me stay on track with all of my goals. And my goal this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers, which is happening slowly but surely. Thank you guys so much. I love you. All right, so she even tells me and reminds me of my goal every morning when I wake up. Alexa, off.
Wake your ass up, boy, and reach those 1,000 subscribers. Right now in Glendale, it's 67 degrees.
And that's another tip that you can have to focus on your goals. So just a little perk I wanted to add. Okay, the last thing on the list is set up a budget. Set up a budget in your planner. So don't come out here using credit cards. Make sure you budget every dollar to the penny because it's expensive to live out here. This city is expensive. Gas is like $4 right now. Thankfully, I have a Tesla and I don't have to, buy gas. Everything is at a premium. Like, just everything that you can think of. Rent. Food, besides the taco trucks. Taxes, just everything. It's horrible. It makes me want to move away, but I ain't gonna do it. If you do budget, it will help you in the long run. And once you live within these limitations and you start growing and making money, you're already used to your limitations. So all that money is gonna go to savings and vacations and everything. So yeah. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you guys luck on your move to LA. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like and comment below if you have any questions about your move or any moves or anything related to Los Angeles, because I can find the answer. Love you guys. Johnny P. Westside Vegetarian Drunk Librarians Hike Club. Wow, that's a lot. Cook meals for the homeless in Hollywood. How nice. Porn star flexitarian karaoke night. That one kind of sounds fun.